In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional YouTube intro using Canva. Hi everyone! I'll walk you through it step by step so you can create a clean, branded opener in just a few minutes. First, open Canva in your browser. On the home page, use the search bar and type YouTube Intro. This pulls up ready-made options that are correctly sized and formatted for an intro clip. Now choose your starting point. Pick a YouTube intro video template if you want a quick, polished base, or select a blank video design to build from scratch. Templates are great because they include coordinated fonts, colors, and timing. If you prefer a blank canvas, think about your brand colors and font choices so everything feels consistent with your channel. Click on any text in the design to edit it. Replace the placeholder text with your channel name and a short tagline. Keep it clear and legible. Use high contrast colors and avoid overly thin fonts, so your message is easy to read, even on mobile screens. Aim for a short runtime. 3 to 7 seconds is ideal. That's long enough to introduce your brand without making viewers wait to get to the content. To add motion, select a text box or any element, then click Animate in the top menu. Browse the options and choose a simple effect like fade, pop, or typewriter. Subtle animation tends to look more professional and keeps attention on your core message. Enhance the design with icons, shapes, or your logo. Click elements on the left sidebar, search for what you need, and drag it onto the canvas. Keep the layout uncluttered. Use white space, align elements, and maintain a clear visual hierarchy so the viewer's eye goes straight to your channel name. For sound, click Audio and choose a short background track. Pick something that matches your brand's vibe and doesn't overpower the visuals. You can position the audio on the timeline so it starts and ends cleanly with the animation. Next, fine-tune the timing. Click the timeline to adjust the length of scenes or individual elements and trim clips so transitions feel crisp. Watch the playhead while you tweak animations to avoid overlaps or abrupt cuts. Preview the entire intro from start to finish. You're checking for smooth animation, readable text, and a consistent rhythm between visuals and music. Make small adjustments until everything feels seamless. When you're happy, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 Video. Canva will render your intro, and it's ready to add to your YouTube projects. And that's how you design a YouTube intro on Canva. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.